Today I'll share the recipe of a very popular Indian dessert. It's called Misti Dahi or sweet yogurt, and it's a completely different type of dessert set to perfection. You can see how beautifully my dessert is set. It's yogurt but it resembles the texture of ice cream. It's perfectly done, and I have shared many tricks and tips to make this kind of perfect dessert, and I'll just show you one spoon how nicely it is set. You can see the texture of the yogurt, beautifully done, that too in glass balls as well as the traditional kulhad. Few tips and tricks do work wonder for this recipe, and believe me, the taste will be awesome. So do try out this recipe, your kids will love them. Soos Food Corner style Mishti Dahi or sweet yogurt. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Soos Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this awesome recipe. First we need 100 grams of hung curd. So I have just taken 150 grams of curd and I have just put it in a strainer so that the excess water drains out. And here I have taken 1 liter of full fat milk, and I need to boil this milk in a heavy bottom pan so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. And actually we need to reduce this milk to 3/4. That means we have taken 1 liter of milk and we need around 750 ml of milk. So we'll wait till this milk gets one boil and then reduce the flame to low medium, and it will reduce in 12 to 15 minutes. So here comes one boil, and once there is one boil, just reduce the flame as I said. I'll add sugar around 100 grams at this stage. Total I have taken 200 grams. 100 grams goes at this stage, and next 100 gram we'll make caramel out of that. So give it a nice mix and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame, and do not forget to stir it in between. So this is looking good now, and meanwhile, as I said, it will nicely reduce till only 750 ml of milk is left. Meanwhile, we'll prepare caramel of the remaining 100 grams of sugar. So here I have taken a pan and I have heated it on medium flame, and I'll add sugar here 100 grams and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water so that the sugar starts to melt. On medium flame I'll do the entire process, and see, gradually after 4 to 5 minutes the sugar will start to melt. At this stage, once the sugar starts to melt, reduce the temperature to low and stir it continuously, because we don't want the caramel to be burnt. So we just want a perfect nice colored caramel, and the same color will come in our yogurt. So see, gradually my caramel is looking nice. The caramel always has a post cooking time, so don't overcook caramel at this stage. Just cook till the color slightly changes to coffee color and then remove from heat, and you can see gradually it will turn more darker. So this is what we want, and this goes inside our evaporated milk. You can see gradually we'll add simultaneously. If in one hand we'll stir the mixture and then we'll add the caramel. Very careful because the caramel is quite hot at this time. So we'll add all the caramel and mix continuously, and at this time the milk is already reduced. It took around 12 to 15 minutes. Turn off the flame and we'll wait till the milk comes to room temperature, and meanwhile my hung curd is ready. See how nicely the texture has changed. It's perfectly thickened. Give it a nice mix, and then this goes inside our milk. Make sure the milk is at room temperature, otherwise the milk at the yogurt will not be of a good texture. So when the milk comes to nice room temperature, lukewarm, then goes the yogurt. Now give it a nice mix, and do not forget to stir it because we want this foam. This gives a nice texture to the Mishti Dahi or the sweet yogurt. So give it a nice mix, and you can see, as because the milk has already reduced, so it has its own texture now. So this is done and it looks perfect to me, and this will set in small containers like this type of earthen pots. The logic here is that the earthen pots absorb the extra water of the yogurt, which aids in setting the yogurt more nicely. Otherwise we can always use the regular glass or ceramic balls we have in our homes. So I'll use both of them and show you. So here I'll pour the yogurt mixture, I mean the milk mixture, in a cup. I'll pour so that it can be poured nicely. You can see here how beautiful the texture is, thick here. And here I have some aluminum foil. I have cut them, and I'll just cover this small balls in this way and seal them with a rubber band so that the air doesn't go out. So I'll just seal every cup in this way, and here I have taken a deep bottom vessel or pan, and I have placed a stand on it, and I'll place a plate or tray, and then I'll place all the cups. What I'm basically doing is that I'm trying to just maintain the temperature around this cup so that this helps to set the yogurt properly. And then I'll cover it with a towel. Nicely I'll seal, and then on the top of it goes another towel, and then I'll put the lid, and I'll seal this lid by adding a weight on it in this way. Basically I'm just trying to seal this whole container, and then this goes in a nice warm place to set for 10 to 12 hours, and after 10 to 12 hours I'll just show you what is the result. Normally in summers it will take around 5 to 6 hours, but nowadays it took me around 10 to 12 hours. For safety purpose I had just kept it nicely for 12 hours, and after 12 hours, see, my yogurt is perfectly done. It's creamy and the texture is just perfect. And now this goes in fridge for 1 hour more, and after 1 hour it's ready to be served, and you can see how nicely the yogurt is set in this earthen pot or kulhad we call, and I am actually reversing it. Get it's perfect. So you might think that it's because of this earthenware. No, the glass bowl is equally perfect, and this yogurt is equally set nicely. See, I'm actually flipping it upside down, yet this yogurt is perfect. How beautiful the yogurt is set, and this foam, as I said, it plays a very important part. It has the nice texture, and I'll just cut this yogurt. It's somewhat like ice cream and perfectly done. I mean, this dessert has so earthy flavor, it has so raw flavor, and I'll show you. See how nicely I'm actually cutting this yogurt, because it's literally cutting. So it's perfect. Do try out this recipe. Few things you need to keep in mind. You need a thickened milk, and then we need hung yogurt. We need around 100 grams of hung yogurt, and then when the milk is nicely thickened, add the yogurt after mixing it. And the main important thing is that the milk should be lukewarm, and set it in a warm moist place for 10 to 12 hours. I hope you have liked this recipe. Do try out this recipe and let me know your feedback, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.